We're not done yet. Can we please stay right there? Alright, and now this time we will hear a short message coming from you or your microphone.
Thank you, Rose. I am so thankful to God that He gave us you. You are a precious little girl. You're a big girl now. And I want you to follow what the Lord wants us to do. Happy birthday.
Right there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another round of applause to Mommy Nerissa. Thank you so much. And now this time, this is a very important moment because as what they say, our fathers are our heroes. Well, our parents are our heroes. But this time, we will give them the opportunity